Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Nothing Phone 1 smartphone. In this video, you will know how to edit camera modes in your phone Nothing Phone 1. First, go to the camera here and click on More button and click on this edit symbol. And here you are seeing these are all the main menu option. If you want to add more modes to the main menu, you can just touch and hold, then drag to the main menu. I bring macro to main menu and I click on tick mark, and now you can see all the items, all those you tracked in the main menu. See here, time lapse, macro, they are also in main menu. So if you want to again reposition, then again click here and again drag back to the drag back to below, and here just drag and drop here, and it will be replaced. And see the changes now. So in this way you can easily edit camera modes in your phone Nothing Phone 1. That's all friends, bye.